Make a great choice today with the 2016 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.